I was actually putting my hand up in between saying, can you call me in sooner? Because just listening to everybody, I was beginning to get overwhelmed with emotion myself. It just does feel like the end of, you have in India, you have these large family functions and weddings, and at the end of it, you just feel so upset that you're going to be missing people. I'm going through that right now. But let me share, I think, as you said, the questions that you put, maybe I can use that to share in my closing. And why did I come to this course? It was a pause in my life. And as with many other people here, Amu just came and decided to take up that pause and said, this is the course that you should be doing, if this is what you're going through. And I was talking to her about what I intended to do. And I'm so glad, grateful to her for having suggested it and forced me for doing this course. And grateful to you, Leon, for having accepted me. I was a last minute entry. And so for me, it was more about myself. And I knew I was going to use this period to go through some introspection and think about my journey here forward. So I'm not here, at least not yet, to be a coach. I don't know, never say never, but that was my objective. And I have taken away so much. I mean, this has helped me basically just think about things in a more constructive way, and really try and give it some meaning in terms of what I might do, or I think I will do. I'm not sure what I'm going to do at this stage yet. And so thank you so much for that. And that was what brought me here. What was inspiring, surprising, I mean, I wrote a whole list of things, but I'm only going to talk about a few of them. And I think first and foremost, a shout out to the entire group and I think the experience of, I truly experienced communion, energy, and I do believe in energy, Reiki, different kinds of energy. And I think I felt that in this group. It could be the magic that you create, Leon, with every group, and you should tell us at the end of it. I know a lot of teachers would say, this was by far the best group, but it'd be good to hear from you. I don't know if it was the energy of the group or what, but it was magical just being with this group. And one part of me is torn to do mastery just so that I continue with this group. But I'll come to, why not, why I'm in two minds at this stage. So I think that was for me definitely something which stood out. I obviously expected, having heard from Amrita that, my expectations, the bar was set high. And Leon, you kind of went way beyond that bar. So thank you so much. The other thing which really stood out for me, I think Sunil mentioned it, even in those 5-10 minutes of, sessions that you did taking us through the practice, it was like magic was happening. And that left me wanting more. That's a different topic of discussion, but it's nice of you to share that generously with such a large group. I think those sessions were absolutely, for me, the fact that, you can reach into the depths of, what you're thinking about in such a short time span, clearly speaks to the mastery that you have in, taking us in that journey. So I think those were really magical moments. I wish we had more of those moments, and that's my feedback for more courses that you would do. That was fantastic. The coach and coachee experience, I have to say, and Leon, I wanted to bail out of my coach, and I think trusting the process, and both my coach and coaches, Amu and Monica, the openness with which they came and the way we held that space despite knowing each other so well, I think speaks again to what you managed to instill in us in terms of just having trust, keeping the confidence level and going with the process. We managed to do it, leaving aside all our other relationships, personal relationships, which I feel was also beautiful. I can go on and on, but I don't want to. I did take away a lot of the practices which are helping me immensely, slowing down, sitting in silence, thinking, and so on and so forth. Why I don't want to do this course, Leon, you know that. I did share with you, but I'm happy to share with the others. I think having spent the last 3 months immersing myself in this, I do believe that I need to spend more time really spending more time with myself, maybe one-on-one, and going deeper either with myself or with somebody else to first decide what I want to do before I do this. And I think if I do both together, as in like personally do one-on-one coaching and do this course, I won't do justice to both. So that's one of the reasons why I'm, conflicted. Like I said, I definitely feel that having been through this experience, I want more. I'll definitely come back to doing mastery. The temptation to do it with this group is still extremely high. So if I change my mind, looking forward to seeing all of you. But that's the only reason why I'm taking a pause. And the mastery is again for myself, because I still don't see myself becoming a coach. Yeah, and gratitude to you, Leon. Everybody said it. I can't say it more beautifully than the others have said. But I think I said it once in between. The simplicity, of what you've created, just belies the depth, of what the work that you've done. How you've broken it down so beautifully for each of us to experience it in our own way, I think is amazing. So hats off, and thank you for sharing it so openly. Yeah, and thanks to everybody for holding such a beautiful space that it just became so easy and such a joy to come back to this room every Monday. So thank you so much. Lots that I've learned, lots more that I need to spend time going into. But I'll definitely do mastery, but hopefully with all of you. But thank you so much.